SSYS, speculation of an Army drone contract. Ticker SSYS, Sandy Sandy Yankee Sandy Stratasys. Social media speculation, so who cares? Oh, there's full target. So there's your full main target. You break here, it's 100 points lower. But here's your main target. If this breaks through here, the waterfall. I fully think the waterfall starts. If you don't hold right here, right now, 930 to 950, basically.
What's up, Casey?
What's up? What's up?
What's up, dog?
What up, boy?
I'm just over to Mama up cooking up food. I'm over here just grabbing, dude.
Hell yeah.
Some chicken and pork chops.
That sounds good.
What cheesy? What is it, like cheesy broccoli rice or I don't even know what you call it.
That's what we call it.
Broccoli and cheese. Oh my god.
Yeah, cheesy broccoli rice. Bro, I'll tell you what. I got this new mesh ergonomic chair and shit. It may be better for my back and posture, but these things are not that comfortable.
No. You should have asked me. I would have told you. Dude, I went to Office Depot like 10 times and kept trying out chairs. I kept trying that out, and I was like, why does everybody like these? This feels like shit.
Compared to that one right there, I mean, I would much rather be sitting in that chair right now. But we're going to give this one a shot.
What chair did you get?
The brand is SSIHOO. The M57.
You don't like it? Not good?
I mean, it's just not. I think I'm just used to cushion and leather. So sitting in cushion and leather for, I don't know, in my entire life, I've never owned or had to sit in a mesh chair.
Yeah, because mine's mesh now too. The one I was sitting in before was not mesh, but I'll be honest, the second I got in this thing, I was like, oh, this is 10x more comfortable.
Yeah?
Like the second my ass hit the chair, yeah. I was in IKEA with Gav, and I was like, this chair is phenomenal.
Let's go, Dawes.
Let's go, Dawes.
Yeah, I've tried out like those fancy chairs. I've tried them, dude. It's like setting other people's. I don't know. I'm more of like I like the race car gamer, whatever that version, like the one you have behind you.
Yeah.
That style chair, to me, is 10x more comfortable.
Yeah. That's why I wasn't going to spend the $2,000 on a Herman Miller. I was like, I'll get one that's a tenth of the price, spend $200.
I'll be honest, low-key, I like the like the old school ones that are like the big, just fat, like late 90s like office chairs. Just huge, like what an attorney sits in his office.
Dude, those are the
I
best
actually love
chairs.
those.
Those are the best.
If it would fit under my desk, I'd get one of those.
Yeah, those are absolutely the best. Yeah, I don't know. These are so much better. So much more comfortable. That's probably terrible for my back. Oh, we're flushing. We're dying.
Did it flush?
Yeah.
Did
We just hit EQ of the range, Casey. This entire daily range. Just hit EQ of it.
This is the short that I kept trying to get this morning. That was taking too
all
long.
day. I waited all day and took it a while ago. And
Dude, I took it twice. I took the short twice, and
we bounced on 30s right there.
you can see closer. It almost got down to 68, 65 on E or on SPX. It just hit 68, 69. Yep. I said 6,900 to 6,905. As long as we continue to reject and center
Take it back
that,
to 850. Just take it down.
it's a short until proven otherwise. It just took 1,000 freaking years to play out.
Where's Frick's not here. Just crush it, rug it. Oh man.
What a move. What a move.
Oh, here we go. We got Legacy out there. Jordan, did you tweet that out, by the way?
Tweet what out?
The live stream?
Yeah.
Bet.
I also feel like I'm too tall for this chair. Or maybe I'm just in the perfect sitting position and I'm not used to it, but
You can't even tell that I'm sitting in a chair. It's crazy.
like I feel like it needs to be a little bit higher up. Well, there's previous day high back test on SPY.
Crush it. Send it to the gulag. I said this morning, that like go sideways and then just roll over in the afternoon has been the trend lately.
Dude, this is wild.
Remember Friday? This is what we did on Friday?
Is this headline related or FOMC minutes related or?
Not really. I mean, there's a combination of a few things that happened. So we had a 20-year bond auction, and then there was a Fed repo or reverse repo. And when those two things were happening, if you look, Dixie started flying, TLT started coming down, gold and silver started selling off, Bitcoin really started selling off. We're accelerating.
Yeah, this is
Crush it. See, this is where and I'm not talking to anybody in particular here. I'm just saying for the example. This is where volatile market, you oversize a trade or two, or you're not patient enough to wait for an entry or build into a position or wait for break of structure or something. This is where you could have blown up an account this morning just for your entry to be a great entry. Like if you started shorting in the 70s to 100 this morning and you added into it and got stopped out 3 times, or if you started shorting all the way up, over 25K, all the way up and dug yourself a huge hole, blew an account just for this to come all the way back down, 200 points from the highs now.
I'm tempted to try a little long scalp right here, but I don't want to get run over.
Bro, that was just crazy, Jordan. You were still moving on your other camera whenever you joined on this one.
I think that's the issue.
That was weird.
That is an issue. What the fuck? Can I adjust that? It's my legs. I'm too fucking tall.
Yeah, says the guy with the Honda Civic.
Hey, I have racing seats in there. I got Recaros. Those things are nice.
I know they're nice, but you're still what, 6'2"? 6'3"?
Yeah.
You're 6'2", somewhere in there?
Like 6'1", 6'2". Yeah. The issue is the length of the seat from my ass to the back of my knees, and the seat doesn't fill in enough of that space. It stops like mid thigh, and I don't like that. I need it to extend like another.
Yeah, you gotta get back into it deeper. That's what she said.
I can't go any deeper.
I hate that.
I know. Oh, you guys are still fucking short? Let's go.
Tom Lee said Bitcoin was going to 200K. No. Tom Lee is ice cold right now. Tom Lee is like, you ever seen a baseball player go in a slump? He goes like 0 for 32. Tom Lee is in a slump right now.
Miltrey said, "Whoa, I just joined voice, and the first thing I hear is I can't go any deeper. The fuck y'all doing in here?"
Let's go.
685 on SPY hit. I know. It was great. It was a great short setup. It was just all about timing today. Sitting in options waiting for that was an absolute no-go. Sitting in futures waiting for it a little bit easier, but for options it was like you had to be watching every freaking 5-minute candle until you finally caught the move. Unfortunately, I was building this chair when I saw it go.
BTU and coal stocks. New York Times article on coal stocks. BTU. Other coal stocks getting a pump. Well, we can't even get a 5-minute bounce.
Yeah. I'm gonna check.
Expect this to come back to 840s. 858.37.
Big spike in put premiums 5 minutes ago. Oh, holy SPY. See what this is. This is why I like using the quant data. Look at this shit. That's my quant.
My quant's Everly.
I actually wouldn't be surprised if she has like a huge poop in her pants right now. Let me see. Put.
You see SPY's high of day was the exact like there's 2 NFP levels right here. February and December, like over the top of each other right here, was the exact high of day.
Man, I could have made like an extra $300-400. This is dumb.
I could have made way more if I held the drawdown that I was sitting in. There was no point. Because this could have easily just tried to trend a little bit higher. Casey, did you see the NFP at the high?
No. On SPY?
SPY. There's 2 NFP levels right here. February and December both. Like you can't really tell because
they're sitting like directly on top of each other.
Yeah. they're the exact same price here, but
I will say
February and January.
Cool thing about this chair is the little adjustable lumbar support thing.
Dude, whatever old school chair my dad's rocking with over here is not it, though. I can tell you that.
All right, is this a full port long right here? What do we think?
Paper tweeted about it.
I'm in. Ah! Full port long. Full porting long. Full porting long. Ah! Would have paid for my chair? I know. Would have paid for my chair. It's so stupid. Full porting long. Full porting long. $15-point gain. We can break this little 50 spot right here. I'll cover 2 more. Let's see.
Hey, this back test of 30s to 50s could just be the short.
Dude, if it
Again.
goes back up to like 60, I'm gonna go fuck short. Oh,
Yeah,
it's about to
upper
fill.
wick.
Oh. All right, there it is. 50. Boom. Stop at entry. 20-point gain. Full port long is working out, baby.
Occasional
Now
full
it's
port round magic.
Yeah, now it's about to get smacked. Watch it get smoked right here.
Yeah, the
Sorry.
VWAP's a little bit higher.
Yeah. I gotta stop at 30. Oh shit. What did I just do to my trade of 8? Oh shit. There it is. Whoopsies.
All right, first off, W's in the chat for Dividend. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. Let's go. Second, I see we got a little Missy Elliott shout out for KC on that.
Hey.
I'll put my thing down, flipping and reverse it.
I don't know. I'm literally up like
You're not
180 bucks. It's nothing crazy. Now we back test the 9 in VWAP. I'll be happy, but I'm not counting on it. But the initial reaction. So the reason why are they about to take out the rest? For SPY, that was a back test of previous day high, right at 685. So. They just took out the rest. Bing bong.
Ooh, instant sell.
I know. What did it get up to? 52 on MNQ? Yeah. Yeah, if it would have wicked up in the 60s, I would have covered more and probably flipped it short. But yeah, SPY's previous day high back test was 685. Equilibrium is right at your 5-minute 9, around 686. So just shy of a little dollar bounced on SPY. Break underneath that previous day high. I think we can see 683.2. Qs has not hit previous day high. It's still a little bit lower. IWM is underneath of it. Yep.
If you got a big, does it make the little like elephant noise? Let me search it. Find out how hard I gotta work it.
God, coin's getting smoked.
Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin's just getting wrecked.
Oh, is BTC getting smacked?
Yeah. Big old schmaxy.
Oh, yeah. I will tell you, though, a mesh chair is more breathable. I feel it's cooler to sit in than my leather.
Yeah, I'd rather be hot and comfortable.
That's what I'm thinking, man. That's what I'm thinking.
I mean, I hate that you bought it and you don't like it. Obviously, that sucks, but
It's mainly for my back. Like,
Did you get it off Amazon? You can just send it back.
yeah. I got it on Amazon. But the main reason why I got it is just because of my back. I mean, but I've had back issues, I mean, for like 6 years. I used to have to sit with 30 to 40 pounds of gear strapped to myself for 12 hours almost every single day. And
walk around carrying it all.
Yeah, dude, and having that freaking vest on and all that shit around like your hips, and you're sitting in the fucking car for sometimes for hours or whatever, it made it rough. And now I sit at a desk all day and don't really do much, so I picked like the two worst jobs in my entire life, I swear.
Can you imagine if you're just like overweight? like that's what an overweight person feels like. I feel like.
God. Dude, I can't spend the 2K on the Hermit. So how about I have an idea. How about, Colin, you come into my house with your chair and we'll hang out and trade for a day. And I sit in the Herman, you sit in this chair, and we'll just do that. But I can tell you what I'm not doing, and that's dropping $2,000 on a fucking chair.
Facts.
Ooh,
new lows.
I know Q's about to hit that previous day high retest. Is it $2,000 because of the name, or is it? Because I'll be honest with you, this chair is freaking. The quality of this chair is immaculate compared to that piece of shit over here. Even though that chair is super comfortable, it is light and it feels almost cheap in a lot of areas. This chair right here is freaking durable. When I was building this thing together, I could just freaking tell the difference. I was like, oh, this thing's sturdy. So I believe that the quality of this chair is absolutely incredible. But is a Herman Miller chair only $2,000 because it's a Herman Miller? Because then that's the issue. It's just because of the name. I mean, it is what it is. I feel like I would also like this chair better if it would go up like another inch and the seat was like another 2 inches longer. I think it's just because I'm too tall for this shit. My back could be abnormal, I'll tell you that. I wouldn't doubt it either. Home Depot buckets for a chair? I got Lowe's buckets. I got the blue Lowe's buckets. They're in my garage. Those things come in handy.
Oh, Rug City.
IWM is about to make a new low of day. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Never mind. I didn't see that wick from this morning. I just saw the candlestick body and volume point of control at 263. JK.
I'm having to pack up because I got to head out here. Jordan's finishing up eating. Does it look like I'm just standing on the beach, Casey?
It does. I was about to ask, like, that looks pretty cool.
You're good if you need to mob at any point, Maybe Casey if you want to throw up your screen when he has to bounce.
Yeah.
All right, it's sunny here. Sorry.
Dude, look at this guy. I'm making memes out of this motherfucker, bro. I'm going back on the stream. I'm taking screenshots and I'm making memes out of you, bro. Stan, you better take some shots. Yeah.
Does it look like
Pose
I'm
for
leaning-
me. Pose
does it
for
look
me.
like I'm
Yeah, you're leaning on the
tree?
palm tree, bro. Dude. I love this. You don't know how much I love this.
God.
You don't realize because I know I'm gonna get great memes out of this. Oh.
How far does it? Does it still pick? Oh, did I disappear?
Nah, you're gone now.
Here we go. Previous day high. Q's. 604 break.
There he is.
We're jumping.
Dude, it's kind of crazy. It just looks like I'm floating out there.
Oh my goodness, we're gonna accelerate this shit. Did my algo trigger the short? Hold on. I bet you it did. Where's that? Oh, of course it did. It triggered the short at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. I went short with Casey and out for profit. Let go. Let go. Damn. Look at that short. Gosh dang, dude.
Yeah, I paper handed this a little bit, but that's all right.
Did Casey ever go short over on SPY? It did. It went short SPY too at 1:30. Double. A double whammy. The double whammy.
Look, maybe SPX does fill this gap down here after all.
Yep.
Oh,
I tried too short and got so
stopped
far.
out. I tried too short, got stopped out.
It took too long. I never even really got like stopped out. It would start to work in my favor. I'd get my first little trim, it'd go right back up to entry and break even. And then I did it again. Like I never closed them for a loss. It just wouldn't freaking give me the flusher.
But in the end, it turned into a flusher.
Fucking wild.
Tesla green to red on a day. But in the end, it was a waterfall.
Any promo code for Casey Algo? Absolutely. Use code Casey30.
Use code CHAIR for 40% off.
Yeah, I just wish it was set up higher. But I do like the neck on this one versus the racing chairs. They have like that little pillow that's right there. I don't really care for it that much.
Oh, I buy the ones without the pillow. I don't do the pillow.
But look, but like this chair, it's like it has a nice little curve to it. Like it's like it. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Look at that curve, son. She curvy, and it just fits like perfectly right there. Back of your neck. You know when you're driving in a car and you put your seat on a headrest, but you have that space that's right there? This thing does the exact opposite. That's what I want like in my car. I want that curve. It fits like a glove in your little neck pocket. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's got a curvy neck pocket. You just need a chair that like fits it. I do
neck
like.
pocket bowl.
Yeah, I got a pretty deep neck pocket, so I need one that's got a lot of curve.
My neck, my back.
Send a picture of this chair. It's here. I'll put it in the chat. Look.
You want a picture? He's on camera on stream. Or
It's Discord.
oh,
Look, this is the difference between them two. And if you look at the seat height, it's about the same. But look at the seat length. You can tell the blue chair comes out a little bit more, which is what I like. What does the percent mean on the charts on that indicator? That is an order block. So this right here is an order block. QQQ, I missed the freaking... See? Look, what I did right there, previously on SPY, the same setup just happened on Qs. Previous day high, they wick it down, close it right at it. Tight stop for a long, they just ripped it back up. I should have had resting orders at 70. It just went to not a 50-point bounce. That's what I wanted the first time.
yeah. I was gonna try like the 50s down to 40. Didn't make it down there, so
Send me a DM with your TradingView username so I can add you in. Because WAP doesn't do it automatically. At the end, I knew it was a freaking short. I'm gonna send this tweet out. It's gonna show just a picture from the small account challenge over there on SPY. It's gonna show that zone on SPX up there and the level 69 like 05. And then it's gonna show the SPY and then the QQQ chart. It'll show the JC short signal right there on both of them. So I mean that was the freaking move that I tried to get into earlier, like 10:15 this morning. It just took like 3 hours and 15 minutes to play out after my entry. So it is what it is. Oh, Emp, guess what I bought yesterday?
what's up?
When DraftKings broke over $22, I swung calls. Because that thing looks disgusting.
It does look pretty bad. It had a nice bounce. Like everything had a nice bounce today, but
I bought May $25 calls for 40%, and I still wanted to go a little bit higher. It's closing like a weird ass doji candle, but the gap fill will take it to 25. We'll see. I'm not putting all my faith in DraftKings.
yeah,
But-
look, these daily candles do not look good.
Freaking disgusting.
Unless we get a huge recovery this afternoon, those daily candles are gonna look bad. Bad.
I did get to do one of my favorite things, and I do the same thing when I trade cruise lines and airlines. I do the same thing with banks. I don't just buy one of them. I do the entire fucking thing. And that's always fun. And XLF got the nice Nice bounce. You can't just swing Morgan Stanley. You can't just swing JPM. If you're gonna do it, you just gotta do all the banks. Just get calls on every single one.
Have you looked at XLF, by the way? The daily chart?
This morning I did because they all hit target upside. It should be near the daily 9, right?
It's the 200-day back test.
And previous month low.
Yeah, the 9's right there, but the 200-day back test. So you stopped here and bounced off of it, and the next day you pushed up and just crushed through it. Now you did three inside bars basically to come back to it and hit it. I do have to run, so this is
here. Let me share this screen. Look, it shows the green zone right there, right here. That right there. That was my entry. Right here, and then look where my target was. All I wanted to see was this back test, a previous month low, and we hit it perfectly.
And if you do the confluence of just put a 200, just throw a 200 SMA on there real fast.
Right there, boom, with that white line that runs
to the
wick,
to the line as well.
Yeah, it is. That's like
confluence.
Yeah, look at that. The level previous month low. If I move this yellow line, there's a blue line that's literally right there as well. Yeah, and the wick is literally to that. Yeah, So that played out. JPM, same thing. There's its 200 from the underside, bounce, double bottom, back up to the daily 921. BAC, there's a larger time frame, double bottom, back up there, like just same shit.
Different toilet?
Yep, same shit, different toilet.
Shout out Lil Wayne.
Here, let me I'm actually gonna change it to this one. Give me a second. Share this screen when you can. This will be the SPY chart.
Now I'm in a pullover on the beach. It got cold outside.
In the end, I knew it was a freaking short.
All right, boys.
You ready?
Later, Gator.
Oh my gosh, Chris. Casey, you see that? What Chris said in the chat? Girl is down bad, bro.
Dude, I saw a tweet earlier.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw the same one.
Dude, it's funny because back then people were asking her like, she was like, no, I would never. And now look, after she done rug people for millions of dollars and spent all that money from her crypto coin, she got to do something else.
Her time.
That's wild. We should get her on stream.
Now she flashing shit on cam. That's crazy, bro.
Jordy got the meter.
Wild. I did.
Then they went back.
I'd shake her hand.
You just DM me, sweet. Let me.
Her security guard didn't like me very much.
That her security didn't like you that much?
Yeah, he didn't like me. I could tell. He's pissed. I was like, bro, she wants to chat. Like, you're just pissed.
Mark, I don't know if you sent me a message or if you sent a fake Casey Trades DM.
Nah, she got to meet Jordy. Facts.
Yeah. I didn't meet Hawk Tua. Hawk Tua met me.
Facts.
That's funny.
Let me see. Mark, did you? I don't see a DM from you, Mark. But yes, send me one.
Here we go
Drop
with the
low,
camper
girls.
shell, baby.
Dude, when I was a kid, we go on road trips. We used to put a mattress back there and had outlets that were like wired and hooked up in it. You'd have your little foldable DVD player and shit. Just be chilling. The freaking bed of the truck. Laying on a mattress with the cap on. Back to 670s for Spy. I mean, anything's possible. Just ask Kevin Garnett. Oh, Amp said his wife. Oh, he got disconnected from Wi-Fi, so he got rubbed. Oh, there you go, Mark. I see it. Your con on Spy Trim at 370. Damn, let's go. Nice work. Nice work, Henry. What's that, like $145 per contract gain there? Because they were 225. Still going lower. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Oh yeah, let me add you in, Mark. Uno momento, por favor. Mm-mm. Okay, sweet. Because every time I come back from lunch, there's always issues with the audio sometimes. All right, give me a second. Manage access. All right, let me get you added in, Mark. Okay. Oh, hold up. This should be it. All right. All right, Mark, you should be good. Oh, sneaky reversals. If I mean, it's a big if. Big if. Right there. See this spot right here? Right there. If SPX get to move down right here. So essentially going underneath 68.40, about $20 lower. I think you can catch a decent little intraday reversal off of that. That's the only other spot. There's nothing really right here between here and that point. That's really the only spot that I'd be looking at. And then if that point fails, then you have 68.15, 68.10. But next big spot is going to be if it gets underneath that 68.40 to like 68.35 area on SPX.
Did I just drove by Taco Bell. I know what I'm having for dinner tonight.
Oh, he's smacking the
Dude.
Taco Bell, bro.
I'm thinking about
Smacking it.
I was thinking about it last night. It's either Taco Bell or Arby's.
We have meats.
meat.
Dude, I have not had a beef and cheddar
Oh,
like forever.
dude, since Drip was talking about it on Spaces, bro, I haven't had one, dude.
God,
Did they have
dude.
a?
Remember Drip, dude?
They have a
He'd be there every day.
They have a sneaky good chicken sandwich there, actually.
Really?
Dude,
Haven't tried that.
their chicken sandwiches are actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm like never gonna be eating Arby's, but like once in a while.
Dude,
Once in a
mozzarella
while, I'll do it.
sticks. Get the mozzarella sticks, the jalapeno poppers.
The curly fries, the little.
Yeah, the beef. Yeah,
Fries are good.
Oh my god, the double
That's my
beef and
favorite part
cheddar
about it.
with the curly fries and a sweet tea. Damn. Best thing in the world. right there.
Jamocha shake? I've never had one of them. Damn. I guess I'm missing out.
What is Jamocha?
I don't know. Fucking.
Jamaican mocha?
Making me crazy.
Jamoking me crazy.
I was, yeah. I want to see this thing. It's a big old box.
Just
Did,
make sure.
Are we still bouncing or didn't Q come any lower?
I mean, it looks like we want a bear flag and go a little bit lower. Or underneath previous day high, so.
Where's it trading at?
Q's is at 603.44. MNQ is currently at 24.860.
860. That 840 area I think can bounce out of there a little bit. But if it loses that, then it starts to get real ugly. 840, 850 is what really has to hold here. I almost just got ran over by American Tire Distributors. Or as this guy pronounces it, tar. Tar. Some tars. I would love to see SPX fill that gap that it left this morning. But if it does, this daily is going to look like absolute rejection.
Yeah, already. I mean, we're not not looking like we're gonna close over this daily gap, which means higher time frame, bearish order flow just being respected.
Yeah, and the way if you look at it from, like another direction, so you broke down through key moving averages, you got oversold, you got the little oversold bounce rally, whatever you want to call it, and then you back tested, rejected all those EMAs in different ways and left. And I talked about this morning, and it's like the way you can incorporate that in is like you can, it's the candle is never like on a daily time frame, the candle is never the candle until the day closes, but you can kind of get an idea like midway through the day today. I mentioned it on here. I said you can kind of get an idea if this rejects here and starts pushing back down, you have an idea of exactly what this looks like and what it's going to look like at the end of the day. And boy, that's where we're at.
I couldn't agree more, Baspa. Couldn't agree more. But I'll still schmack it once in a while. Gosh,
Yeah,
it's probably been 2 years since I've had Arby's.
Dude, I would go to Arby's before I went to Chipotle.
No.
Hell yeah.
No.
Hell yeah.
No.
Hell
No.
yeah.
All right, 2 versus 1, you lose.
No, I don't lose just because of numbers. No.
Yeah. Hey, men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie.
No.
In the illustrious words of Lil Wayne.
No, if things worked out as like 2v1, you're wrong like that. No. It's not.
I don't know. Not only did you lose 2-1 odds, that's a 2-1 R, brother.
No.
That's a 200% gain.
Absolutely not. No.
That's a 50% beat on the bottom line, sir.
Mm-mm.
Don't you love how it turned anything into trading terms?
There's no world where Chipotle is shittier than Arby's, though.
Yes.
Just doesn't.
Dude.
No.
Anyway,
You guys are lunatics.
All the worlds.
dude.
You know
Yeah,
what's crazy?
Lunatics.
The craziest part is the fact that Arby's has more flavor in their food than Chipotle.
Dude,
How sad is that?
100%.
Dude,
Chipotle has no
100%.
flavor whatsoever. Dude,
I'm out.
Chipotle's guacamole, it literally tastes like you took it out of a can.
Y'all are
Like it's
crazy,
just
bro.
been like just dry preserved avocado. It's not even I don't even think it's real avocado.
What? No.
It is
I don't even think they
trash.
use real avocados, to be honest.
Chipotle is
What are they using then, Em? What are they using? I'm curious. What do you
I
think
don't know.
Dog
they're using?
shit.
Some
Huh?
some preservative
Oh,
laced
shit.
something.
That's what they're using in their guacamole.
Those are
Fuck outta
6-month-old
here.
avocados.
Fuck out of here.
Taco Bell's got fresher guacamole, dude.
Dude, no. No.
Swear.
Get out of here.
sourcing.
No.
Chipotle's
no.
terrible. All right,
I'm
guys, I
done
gotta
with this
roll.
conversation, bro. This is not happening.
It's a good way to end it.
Fuck.
Later.
Chat. There's no way.
Dude, yes.
Bro. No, you guys, you're all
No.
fucking crazy, dude. Oh my god.
Dude, Chipotle is so bad.
I'm so disappointed. Wow, I'm
I
disappointed.
think so. Okay, but the only thing I've had from Chipotle are the bowls. Like I haven't had like a burrito or a quesadilla to see maybe if that's any better. But it's gonna be the same ingredients that I would order in my bowl anyway. So I imagine it's still gonna taste like shit. So,
Dude, look at him, dude. Fuck.
I'm trying to gaslight you guys.
I ain't gaslighting nobody. This shit is just facts, dude.
No, it is.
Oh
It's disgusting. The longer we sit right here at Previous Day High, it makes me want to take another little long scalp. But I just realized we have 30 minutes left and the day's done.
wow. 30 minutes.
Let me go grab my other chair. I miss it. Now you can just sit over here in the corner. Oh my god, it's so much more comfortable. Dude.
Is it?
Oh my god, this is so much more comfortable.
But
I'm gonna return that shit. I
didn't
can't.
you buy a new chair in the first place because it wasn't comfortable enough?
Well, I used to sit in a dining room chair,
Fuck. Yeah.
and then this was my first. Oh my god!
I used to sit in the
so
dining room of the boat streaming every day, all day.
Yeah, I used to sit.
I started
in the freaking-
spaces in my bed on a boat. On a bed that's like not even the size of a twin. It's literally smaller.
Dude, I could take a nap in this chair. It's so comfortable.
Don't fall asleep on me, bro.
Shit, I mean, I created KC Trades in the middle of my kid's freaking bedroom with a foldable desk and a dining room chair. Let's go. Maybe, well, okay, what if I put... This chair's also squeaky. But, like, what if I put my back thing on here? Maybe that'll help. No, it's going to push me more fucking forward because I got long-ass legs. It's not going to be good.
Joe, check DMs. Got
Let me
you.
see.
Oh my gosh.
That's so much worse. I can't.
Oh my gosh.
If there's any people that are over 6 foot out there trading and you're sitting at a desk all day
Anybody
and have
over
a-
6 foot? Hell yeah. There's
and you
gotta
have
be.
and you have a great chair that you love that's not over $2,000, please send it to me.
Not quite at 6 foot, and it pisses me off. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so.
Oh wow,
close.
look at this bounce. Oh my god, this chair's so much better. I'm gonna return this shit. I don't want to take it back.
You're returning it 100%.
I'm like 90. I don't want to take it back apart. I might not return it just because I don't want to take it back apart and put it in the box.
Yes, dude. Honestly, this chair right here, never been easier to set up than any other chair in my life. Did you look this one up that I sent you?
Yeah.
Could you get it there or no?
I could only find it in Spanish.
What's going on, guys?
Yeah, sorry about that. Dude, I've never seen this chair anywhere else. It was just at IKEA, bro. At IKEA. I sat in it, I was like, fuck, that's nice. What's up, Joe?
How we doing?
What's up, Joe?
Chilling.
Chair talk.
Chair talk. Kicking back.
Dude, this chair.
Emp
that I
is
use-
trying to Emp and Casey are trying to convince me that Arby's is better than Chipotle somehow. I'm not saying
Okay.
Chipotle is amazing, but like you know, I don't know.
Dude, I've never had Arby's, and I'm
See,
planning
oh.
on keeping it that way.
Oh,
No. Dude,
Never.
try it. It's going to change your life.
Not have you heard the crackle? Big Red Palm, baby, how we doing?
chilling. I had a tough day. I went against my rules a little bit and just faded my own system, to be honest. Low bet. It's like a nice 5G loss, over 5G loss, but
The way
is what it
goes.
is. Cross the accounts. Still green on the month, brother. Still green. If I did follow my plan today, I would have made a lot of money. That's a little unfortunate. Wasn't a good loss, but sometimes we take those and gotta just bounce back strong.
I've been just mainly just programming like a fiend. I'm halfway to passing a vest account with some
Oh, nice.
swings, but nothing too crazy on the intro.
Yeah, Matthew is gonna come in and join us and hang out for the last 30. So
That's good.
Dude, the difference is so fucking wild.
I'm surprised Google hasn't had a real big bounce.
I don't know. Maybe I will keep this thing. Maybe I'll just have both.
maybe I just have both. Just depending on the mood.
Yeah, like this chair, the mesh is definitely more breathable and it's cooler.
Yeah.
To sit in, but I don't know. I like cushion. I like a little bit of cushion. Plus, I don't know what it is, but leather to me is, oh my god, like you want to take a really good nap. Take a nap on a leather couch. A leather
Honestly, that's so
recliner.
true. That's
Dude,
so true.
The
100%.
best naps is on
100%.
leather furniture.
During a holiday.
Could agree.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Dude, that nap you take after just plowing down a Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. I
See,
live for that nap.
you know the cool thing about a leather couch is you don't even need a pillow because you just put your head on the end of the couch where the arm is, and the leather is so cool when you first put your face on it and just squishes down in there. Like it's just like a built-in cooling pillow. And then after you sit there for so long, you get all nice and warm, and then you just knock out, and it's the best nap of your life.
Yeah.
That's the way
What's
it
up,
goes.
Matt?
What up? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we got you.
What up?
What's up?
You guys like my new house that I got
Oh
going?
yeah. Oh yeah. If you walk over to the other side, our boy Will is sitting there trading.
Yeah. Wait, where did you're like living on the beach now or something? Somewhere? Island, Puerto Rico?
We're in Puerto Rico, yeah.
Can't compete with you, man. But maybe you invite me down sometime.
Yeah, we just it's been what? I think I've been down here for 2.5 weeks so far now, or something like that. So we're getting settled in. I just got some new equipment that we're about to set up today. So my mic kind of sounds horrible right now, but it'll sound better tomorrow and from now on. But
I'm talking into a laptop, so
yeah, we're doing this is the last little low quality stream. I promise, guys. The camera looks good though. We're gonna get a sign behind me too, that says Wolf Financial. Which will
That's
be
sick.
nice.
Yeah.
So I almost passed my first vest funded account yesterday.
Oh, let's go. What were you trading?
Dang.
I completely fucked it up today.
Oh no! I took a
Canada
pretty
water.
decent L today. It's all good. I went against my rules a little bit. Took a 5G L for it, which
I just
isn't that horrible compared to my gains usually, but still
I was so
it's
close,
like
man.
gut
I was
punch.
so close. Like, I just messed it up. I through all the people that I've met, I feel like I've got too many people giving me ideas now, and like I was just like hitting up groups, telling people that I've kind of, built relationships with through Vest, like, oh, I'm so close, like give me some ideas. And this one guy was like, long. I was trading just ETH and Bitcoin. This guy was like, long ETH when it gets to 2K, like I think it's gonna pump to 22.
Oh boy.
And then it like, clearly was going down, and I was trying to like cost average, and it just got to the point where I had so much leverage that I was either getting there or I was definitely not.
That's
And
rough.
I ended up closing it as a loss, and then I shorted Bitcoin, which would have worked out beautifully today, but it just like I just used too much leverage. Kids, stop loss yourself, okay? Do not just blow up your account with too much leverage.
No.
If I had stopped lost and like reassessed that trade today, I would have gotten there. Instead, I blew up the account. So,
Yeah.
lesson learned.
Yeah, that was me today. I mean, I took a decent loss, but I gotta have some rules in place where you don't let any blown accounts come about. You know what I mean? Which
Yep.
can be tough, but it's all about that sizing and just having those consistent rules that you follow.
There was a point in time where
Go ahead, Joe. Sorry.
No, you're good. I was gonna say I wouldn't have red days. I would either be green on the day or blow the account. I would never just have a red day. You know what I mean? And that's not the way to trade.
No.
Yep. Yeah, I learned a lesson. I honestly just wanted to pass one just to prove to myself that I could do it. And I was trying not to full port. I was trying not to do what I've done in the past. But yeah, how's it going in here? How's everybody doing?
Not much, just chilling.
Very good.
Watching this market that's been rolling over a bit. It was pretty strong this morning to the upside. And now we're just kind of doing this soft rollover back to opening prices pretty much. So little give up by the bulls today.
I'm going to
Freaking 70-point bounce. I should have freaking grabbed it again.
That was a nice bounce.
I caught a scalp in there. As I bought it, it ran 10 points, so I didn't even say anything. But
I'm tempted to put orders at like 940 for a short.
David said, Matt, is there a video showing how to use the platform? I'm up 600 in the account on first day, but I haven't used since last week.
nice. Do you mind being a little more specific on what you're asking?
Yeah, I know we have David. I forget which day it was, but I think it was a week and a half ago or so. We did that stream where we were basically going through how to put all your orders in and everything, and use the leverage, set however much leverage you want, all that, just how to use the platform overall.
Yeah, let me get in this chat and try to answer some folks. I do have a couple surprises for the chat.
Let's go. Sarge passed his vest the other day. Let's go. Love to hear it.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go, Sarge.
Oh, boy. I think I'm the only one that cannot pass it, which is sad. Probably keep that to myself, but I'm not. I need answers.
I don't need sleep. I need profits.
I'm just gonna answer some people. So I went back to the team and like we talked about a few things regarding these promo codes. I know we're having some issues last time I was in here with people getting blocked on the 99 codes for the funded accounts, which is something that I really want to do for people on Wednesdays, people that devote their time to watching you guys, give them a little bit of a reward. So essentially that 99 code is like if you have used any other discount code for any other Vest product, it's going to block you from using the 99. The 99% off promo code is really designed for like an initial trial. So I did my best to like answer people. A lot of people were DMing me, asking me like what was going on, why they're getting blocked. That's really the answer. So if you've used anything already, you can't use the 99 again. If you haven't ever used any promo code for a Vest eval, you can use right now Matt 99. I created 50 of them.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That will get you an eval for 99% discount. If that is your initial like onboarding attempt with Vest, you've never purchased an eval before with any other code, you can use that today, and that will get you there. Because I love Wolf so much, we still have the Wolf code that gives you 50% off. Because I like want to reward people that come on the stream and watch on Wednesdays, I made a code Wolf60, so that'll give you 60% off. It'll give you an extra 10% over Wolf, and I've got like 30 of those. So get in there and use Wolf60, Matt99. If you've never used another code, and if we run out of Wolf60, Wolf is still available. So there's kind of 3 options right now. Hopefully that makes sense.
Let's go.
Huge.
We got 50 of the Matt 99, so go grab them, chat. I know they're going to go quick. They always do, but go grab those. Matt, I know some people were saying like it can be hard sometimes in after hours because liquidity is lower. What would you say to some of these people that maybe have issues with that? Because for me, I think it's just a matter of maybe making those big orders when there is more liquidity in the market, like a New York session open versus the middle of the night.
Yeah.
Nothing's really trading, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it's the nature of the beast right now. I mean, we're doing everything we possibly can to make liquidity better on the site. A couple initiatives that we have going on, I don't know if I talked about this last time, is so one thing that I know we're doing right, I'll start here. One thing that I know we're doing right is that we have the best spreads and we have the best prices on our markets for equities, for equity perps. I know that for a fact because there's been actually 2 large perp dexes, the decentralized side. We know the big names that have actually reached out to us that are essentially trying to do equity perps. Their pricing is not as good as ours. Their spreads aren't as good as ours. We've devoted our entire business model to making equity perps. We've invested in a trading team. We've gone out and we've raised capital. We have lines of credit. We are, shutting down some of our low OI markets to try to concentrate liquidity. So we really want to make the best trading experience possible. That is our one mission in life. So it's not really because of anything we're doing. It's just the nature of the beast. We essentially invented a product, a derivative where you can trade it 24/7 on stocks and an exchange that isn't functional, isn't open. We have a hybrid order book. The market is functioning, but on weekends and after hours, people don't quite know what's going on Vest, and the liquidity goes down. All I can say is stuff like this, people that want the product, people that want to trade after hours, people that see the value here, get out and promote us, help us get liquidity. And the more people that come onto the site, the quicker we can get external market makers.
Exactly.
Faster we can raise liquidity and the product gets accepted, and you guys are in the ground floor and you have all the rewards, and we give you a token or we give you something, and you're here first. That's all I can really say. We did go out and we are raising more capital, and we're trying to essentially get external market makers to come onto these sites onto our site after hours and increase liquidity. But other than that, trade at your own risk, man. If it doesn't feel good, if the liquidity is not there, if you don't, we have slippage warnings, we have stuff that we put in place to try to stop this. Do the best you can right now, but get out and promote us. Try to bring people to. That was a long spiel, but. Yeah. That was one of the first kind of risk management things we did, because when you just have low liquidity markets, sometimes you just get, you don't want to get crushed and all your profit get eaten up. And it is what it is in a sense, but liquidity brings liquidity, and get on there and trade, and get on an affiliate with me and bring people to the site, and it'll get better.
My Wi-Fi just went out for a split second. That was weird, but I'm back. Yeah, until like the low liquidity thing, I would say like at the end of the day, guys, I mean, just because you can trade 24/7 on something like, you know, your Mag 7 stocks and all the stocks we look at doesn't necessarily mean you should. Like there's nobody there really. Like, of course there's low liquidity at those times, you know what I mean? Middle of the night on trying to trade freaking Netflix leverage. Like, of course you're not getting filled, right? Like, you're trying to trade Netflix in the middle of the night. Like, let's be real. It makes no sense. But maybe trading gold or silver in the middle, right? It's completely different. Those are actually moving, right?
Or even
So
just cryptos.
just because you can trade everything 24/7 doesn't mean you should. You know, still pick your assets wisely, I would say. Really, that's what I would say to that as well.
We're ripping.
Yeah, we've also like we've started to onboard a bunch of affiliates that are starting to really bring a bunch of new users to the site. Like, we have to have the users in order to get the market makers. So like, that's a great way. If people, a lot of people that have watched this stream are here early. Like, we were in beta 3-4 months ago. Like, we're a pretty new site, we're a pretty new concept. These are new markets. The affiliate program is kind of moving forward. It's doing well. If you're watching the stream, you're here early, you want to become an affiliate for us, you want to, essentially we'll create an affiliate code for you. It'll allow people to buy funded accounts with 20% discount. Of that remaining 80%, you'll get a nice commission. It's a great way to spread the word. Like, if you want to make some money too, DM me, hit me up. Like, I'll get you logged on, I'll get you uploaded to the dashboard. You'll have full visibility into what you're giving away, and you can make some money. You can help us get liquidity. You can help us bring our active user count up. We're on a great trajectory, but yeah, I mean, we just need users for to trade the markets, for them to be tighter.
I put all the codes that Matt chatted in the YouTube chat there up top on the screen for you guys as well. I'll copy and paste the link to Vest Markets and throw that in the chat and make it easy for you guys. But just a reminder, grab, I don't know how many are left, but try and get that 99% off. And if there's none left there, you can get that 60% off with code WOLF60. And then, of course, we have 50% off. Lots of choices. Love that.
Yeah.
Cooking, Casey.
Dude, that was freaking a great long spot. This 30 minutes about to set up a reversal too. I think we got MOC in 10 seconds. Let's see.
Dude, my Wi-Fi sucks today. I don't know what's happening.
I tried to compile a program and it nukes Restream, so I guess I'll finish coding later.
Matt, is there only long and short? Wait, there is only long and short, so how do I sell my long? There's a closed position area.
Yeah, you just close
so
it.
You'll be able to see your open position. You can close it from there, David.
And you can close it in pieces. You can limit, you can stop loss, you can take profit, close it however you like. But you should see a close button next to the open position to the far right.
Oh, we got MSC.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for the numbers.
Side.
Oh, you got it?
And S&P, it's 292 million to the buy side. Nasdaq. Yesterday was bigger, small. Not too crazy.
Yeah, I'm not taking anything else. That is it for me.
I was up $30 in profit and tried to set a stop loss via limit, and it closed me out of the trade. I also tried to set up the stop loss when I created that entry order, and it just canceled both.
I'm not exactly sure, but I was going to answer you, Alan. I would create a ticket if you think something was wrong, and support will look into it for you. And if there was something bug wise, they'll credit your account back. Tough for me to know exactly what happened from here, but I would encourage you to reach out to support. If you go actually in the bottom left, there's a little green icon. It opens up the intercom, and it's an AI bot at first, but we're really, really good. We put a lot of energy into support. Like, someone will get back to you within the next 20 minutes, and they'll take a look at your account.
Does Vest Eval work on mobile?
Sure does.
Very nice.
Actually, I kind of like have preferred trading on mobile over desktop recently. It's like really intuitive. We've done a really good job with the UI there. And we have an app coming in Q2.
Nice. That'll be nice. Yeah, there's a lot of people that are just on their phones. It's crazy. More than I thought for a long time.
Yeah. I was just laying up in bed, dude. I was just trading that crypto chop like all day, and just had like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I worked up such a nice profit, and then I just blew it.
Gosh, my connection is just horrible. Lagged out again.
So to switch, so
Not a good day for my internet.
what's going on with the evals on their mobile. So like to switch between, you want to click on the email. If you're on mobile, you'll see your email in the top right. Click on that, and it'll pull up a toggle where you can move between your accounts.
Ripping. CVNA earnings, Walmart earnings in the morning. Adobe pop in. Banks still holding up. DraftKings holding up. Spy Q's ripper. McDonald's with a stick into the close. Apple is absolutely ripping. Nvidia getting some candles.
That's a nice bounce into the close.
It's a big ass bounce.
Nice little something.
Well, see what we do tomorrow.
We got a little bit of
Thirsty
data
Thursday.
pre-market, I believe.
Yeah, what do we have? We have GDP, PCE.
We have jobless. No, we don't have jobless claims tomorrow, do we?
NAR.
We have
Flash manufacturing PMI at 9:45, and then new home sales at 10.
what's tomorrow?
Oh no, that's Friday. Sorry, that's Friday.
No, we do
I'm
have
so sorry.
initial jobless
I'm so
claims
sorry.
tomorrow. Yep.
You're right. You're right. I'm so wrong. I was reading the wrong day.
And PCE
I
tomorrow.
apologize. That's all Friday. What I said.
Okay.
Right.
Trying to look around.
We have pending home sales at 10 tomorrow, though.
God, they took NQ straight back to 25K at the close. Bounced off previous day high, going straight back to 25K, and they're going to close it right there. It's like a 130-point bounce.
I'm confused. Can you only trade shares? This is all perpetual futures, so it's a little different than options or futures or shares. It's kind of its own thing. Investa's made their own market within it, so that's what you're trading. You're trading perpetual futures.
You cannot open a new position. Sorry, I'm just kind of going through chat trying to answer people.
Anything on the flow before market close?
I like this Alan guy. Alan, you're cool. You do what I do. Full port, baby.
Alan's funny.
He's like only full port ETH and BTC long. Okay, let's go.
Occasional full port brown magic, baby.
Let's go. Occasional full port brown magic.
Dude, I love that guy. I think about that all the time.
Yeah, just to answer this person, it's like this is a perpetual futures exchange, so you can only trade this product, a perpetual future. Essentially, it's long as fully with leverage. That's it. It's a derivative product, so you're not actually purchasing any of the quote unquote shares. I would think of it more as a price or a dollar amount. Let's see if people are using these codes. Anybody getting on there? Having any success? Yeah. Let's go. Got 20 left on Mat 99.
X is
Let's
bugging.
go.
It's like people are still trying to use it and are getting blocked. Like I said, guys, if you've used any other code ever, any other promo code to buy an eval invest, you'll be blocked from the 99.
Think we gap up tomorrow? No idea, brother. No crystal ball, but it's nice bounce into the close. I have no idea if we gap up or not, though. How long do we have to pass? As long as it takes.
Yeah, there's no restriction whatsoever.
No limit is so awesome.
Yeah, it's
Ooh.
nice.
Rejection right at
Just a one-time
25K. Bringing it back down. That's a 50-point drop. Dude, they're literally closing SPY at equilibrium of the day. Literally right here.
Right in the middle.
They just did. Right, they just did. Yep, they just
Yeah.
closed that candle. Directly right there at
Nice.
equilibrium.
We'll see what we
Draw
get
this
tomorrow.
big. Here to there. Look at that.
What are you gonna do?
Low of day
Yeah,
to high of day. They closed it
yeah.
directly on the freaking
Smack dab in the
50%
middle.
retracement. Right at the middle. It couldn't have been
EQ at a range.
like absolutely insane.
Bingo, bango, bongo.
Bingo, bango, bongo.
Got Carvana earnings coming out. What is this? 5 minutes.
For a CVNA.
Yeah.
Place
Don't
your
worry, guys.
bets.
Tomorrow when I hop on stream, I should have a new mic all set up and hopefully some fun soundboard stuff.
Let's go. You don't sound bad.
Oh, it's about to get a lot better.
Okay.
Let's take.
I also don't know
let's
where I'm
take
supposed to put the
guesses.
soundboard.
All
I
right,
don't have that
right
much desk
here,
real estate.
and would be what from 325 ish area. So like here, ish.
Ish.
There.
Dude, I'm glitching
Alright.
out so bad this whole time.
Full port,
Which-
Matt. That's me.
Let's see what zone hits first on CVNA. Let's see how close we can get this bad boy. Go to the
Yeah, you get
5-minute.
99 off with code Matt99.
Those are my guesses.
Banana rip. Carvana.
Yeah, those are my guesses right here on CVNA chart. We'll see.
See what they do on this. Let's see, Mr. Carvana.
Is there a scheduled time or just, when it happens, it happens?
5:05.
Let's go.
Well, 4:05 Eastern. 5:05 my time.
Boy, what the hell?
At Atlantic time, I went from being 3 hours behind to an hour ahead.
That's gotta be nice, honestly.
It is. Market opens at 10:30. Thank you. Love that. It's about to change though. Coming up soon.
Pretty fly for Wi-Fi.
I wish I still had. I should have stopped my trade yesterday, got on here with you guys, and just been like, somebody give me $250 win right now, and we can all do it together.
Yeah.
Instead of just being an idiot.
Turn it into a group activity.
Exactly. I like the chat here.
No, Wi-Fi's been pretty good, Matthew, but it's just freaking talking to the Matthew in the chat. But today was giving me trouble. I don't know if it's my computer or my Wi-Fi, to be honest, but no, still figuring out some kinks.
CVNA initial downside.
We'll get it dialed. My Wi-Fi sucked in Ojai too until I figured it out. You experience a lot of PR electric outages? I've experienced one so far in 2.5, 3 weeks of living here. Uno.
Isn't that like a thing down there?
Yeah, I mean, our building has generators, so we just run an extension cord to a generator and it's fine.
Oh, sick.
No big deal. If you don't have a generator, then you're fucked. But like, if you pay for anywhere like halfway decent down here, you're gonna have a generator. To be honest, like,
Oh We're about to hit the bottom zone, CBNA.
She got cooked. See the numbers yet? What, they miss on EPS, beat on revenue? Or no, that's not this. That was the last one.
I see eBay.
Damn, fucking cooked. Figma flying. Ticker Fig. Figma is flying. Cooking.
16.
Damn. That's nice.
Okay. Where are we at?
Carvana just died.
Bottom of the zone. Let's see.
Figma had that Anthropic integration deal too. Figma calls were cheap. Don't think about that, man. That's
CBNA
gambling.
double beat, someone says. What?
Double B in the Grim Reaper.
Oof.
That's a song name.
Double B Grim Reaper, bro.
That's a song name.
Yeah. What is a decent price there? You're talking Puerto Rico, right? Yes. I mean, it really depends on what you're looking for. Like, by the beach is going to be your most expensive for sure. But even it being the most expensive, it's quite affordable compared to what I'm used to in California. But it's still, I would say, expensive.
Why is
You
it
go
tanking on
inland
good
10
numbers?
minutes?
It's just
Man, that's the market. Yeah, that's the market for you.
damn. eBay almost 2. Look at that.
One
was,
bed, one bath. Dude, you
right
could get a
there.
1 bed, 1 bath, especially if you were
Correct.
inland for nothing, dude. Under, I don't know, I would think under $1,000 a month you could find something because literally I was living in a spot that had 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms, and it was $1,500 a month.
Big Figma.
By the beach, probably a little over 1,000. I don't know. Gonna have to look on that and actually like fact check me because I don't know for sure. But just based
guys,
on what I've done and stayed. What's up?
Sorry. I wanted to say
You're
one
good.
more thing before I do
Yeah,
out of
you're
here.
good.
Let you guys do your thing. So we do have some new products. You'll see them in the actual eval. So if you fail one, it will actually ask you to refer a friend, and if you do refer somebody, it will give you a free attempt. So it's kind of like a rewards loop there.
Solid.
If that happens and you refer, if you refer somebody else, you get the free eval and you fail, it will actually give you a 60% discount too for the second time.
Let's go. We
but
love that.
One thing that I just thought of honestly is like, this prop product, the reason like we've limited the 99s and stuff like that is like, we really just want people to try out perps and to kind of learn the product, test best. What we really want is people to deposit onto the exchange and look at these things in an actual like functional way to trade equities. If you have used a 99 already, or you've used any promo and you can't get one, just like DM me, dude. I'll look into your account. If you've deposited on the exchange itself and you've traded, I will hook you up. I can't really do it here. I have to go through a process, but or maybe that's something I'll do next Wednesday. I want to reward people. I want to reward people for like actually depositing on the exchange, not just, like flying out evals all the time, because really our goal is to get people to like look at this as a viable way to trade equities. Not just, we don't want to be a prop firm. That's just the way we're kind of doing it right now to onboard folks and to test the product. So hopefully that kind of clarifies things. But if you are depositing on the exchange, if you're using the product, like hit me up, man. I'll figure out a way to get you another discount if you want to try another eval.
Yeah, it's awesome. Rewarding all the people that are putting money into the exchange, right? It's awesome.
Yeah, I wanna help people. I just don't. I don't want people to just continually just like trying to get 99 evals. It's really not what it's designed for. We really want people to like test it, to be like, oh, this is cool. Get on the exchange. You can use 50x leverage on the exchange. Like the UI is solid. The liquidity on all the top markets is good. Yeah.
And now, Matt, let me ask you something, because if you do get an eval, and you pass it, and you would be eligible for that payout, couldn't you just transfer the balance to that live vest account?
Yeah. So if you pass an eval, the site will automatically send you to the exchange, and it will deposit the money into your wallet. So if you passed like the 275 or the 25K, as soon as you hit that threshold of $2,500 profit, it's going to automatically just send you to the exchange, and it's going to deposit 25K in your account. You're free to trade immediately. And then, you're free to withdraw 90% of your profits like anytime after that, anytime you're in profit.
Gateways.
Love that.
It just automatically triggers you to the exchange and deposits the money in your account. Is that what you're asking?
Mm-hmm. Like if there was like that transition from eval to live on the Vest exchange, is that seamless?
Yeah, totally seamless. It just automatically sends you there. It just does like congrats, and boom, you're on the exchange.
Oh, crew. Carvana got cooked. Figma's flying.
Cooked.
Etsy apparently got a big move, according to Izzy. Been a day.
Been a day.
Oh, Etsy.
We'll see what the Thursday brings. Look at Etsy. Nice move.
Poppin'.
Can you trade after hours on eval? Yes, you can. 24/7.
Yeah.
But just be careful on names like, normal stocks that are not going to have much liquidity in the middle of the night, right? Maybe trade something that does have liquidity like gold, silver, things like that. Bitcoin.
Yeah. We're working on some of the slippage warnings and stuff too, because I actually got one yesterday. I got eaten up a little bit on a gold short that I had that I closed. It's a gold ETF, so I was closed it after hours, and I got eaten up on some slippage. I actually told the team about it because, hey, it happened to me too. I was like, hey guys, like we need a better warning system here. Like I think the threshold was a little bit too high. So it's just all work in progress. Like we will take any feedback that you have, and I will take it to the team. Like if you run into any issues, just hit me up. I'm here to try to make this the best we can. That's why we're on this stream. That's why we teamed up with Wolf. Like we want to reach retail people, and we want to figure out what to do better.
Well, shout out to you. We appreciate you, Matt. I think we're going to get wrapping up on the stream for the day, but hell of a day, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you're liking and subscribing to the stream. We'll be back tomorrow. Got what? It's Thursday.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate you, man. We'll be back tomorrow. I know Em's going to be live as usual early in the AM. I will be hopping on probably fairly early, to be honest, because we don't really have anything going on in the morning. So I'll probably be hopping on fairly early with you guys. I might just not even run spaces at all. Just hop on stream. We'll see. Either way, we'll see everybody tomorrow. See where these earnings names open up at.
Peace out, boys.
Nice move. Peace out.
Later,
See you guys tomorrow.
Later, guys.
Enjoy the evening, y'all. Make sure you're liking the stream, following all the speakers. We love y'all.
For the early risers.
Shout out to the Wolf
For the
crew.
early risers, we got that Wolf View space on tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Shout out to that. Everybody should tune into that if you guys are up nice and early. Maybe I tune in. Honestly, I've been getting up at like what time is it happening?
7 a.m. Eastern.
7 a.m. Eastern. Oh yeah, I could be down to at least just hop on and support.
Let me see what the topic is. I could scroll through the thread.
What is the topic?
Thursday, 7 a.m. Europe's autonomy engine is industrials that quietly power AI and energy. Think your ASMLs, think your Rolls Royces, think your names like that.
That is ran by our friend Eva, who a lot of you guys know, by the way. So just a reminder for that. That'll be kind of the first spaces happening of the day. So I guess we'll see everybody there and on stream tomorrow. Enjoy the night, y'all. We'll see you
Later,
then.
guys. See you tomorrow.
Later, Casey. Later, Joe.
Later.